Hello guys, I'm Firoz Zulkifli from Malaysian and I have one message from me and Malaysian people to say something about Japan. Okay? This is a message from me. 我々はマレーシアは非常に残念。トカ人と日本として非常に先進国に何が起こったかの話で、また彼ら無事に帰りそうした声ですので、日本の人々を招集しています。So this message I have translated to Japan. Okay, and this is about we as a Malaysian people feel very pity and sad of what happened to a very developed country as a Japan. And we are also salute and respect to the Japanese people because they are very disciplined society when they have a big disaster. Okay, that's all from me and Malaysian people. Thank you so much.